My name is Mubashir Khan. I'm a community pharmacist in a local pharmacy in Coatbridge and Lanarkshire. And as we know, the COVID-19 pandemic is here, and I'm closely working from last whole year with the patient who was suffering from the COVID-19. And the few of the people, they had a very bad symptoms, and they end up in the hospital, and few of them left us. Okay, here we're going to talk about the symptoms, right? The general symptom, we had a cough, we got the temperature, achy bones, and some of them they got taste of change of taste, and then the diarrhea. And the next thing, we're going to talk about the precautions, right? Yeah, and we need to take the precaution, like we have to take the mask, we have to use the mask, right? Then we avoid the crowded places. We should not go and see the people, right? Yeah, until we are told. Then we use the hand sanitizer, and good kind of hand sanitizer. And then we also need to wash our hands regularly. And last but not the least, we have to have a 2 meter distance in between. When we're going for a shopping, we're going in the different places, even we're sitting in the home, we have to have 2 meter distance. And then if we feel any kind of symptom, we have to self isolate straight away, and then we get our test done as soon as possible, right? Yeah. And the last thing I'm going to talk about, importance of vaccination, which is very, very important, because we've got different kind of misconception, myths about the vaccination. People are talking about they have microchips in the vaccine, and they got, especially in our Muslim community, we were told they got animal product in the vaccine, like alcohol, and they change your DNA and everything. And I had my vaccination few weeks ago, and I'm going for the next one in couple of weeks, right? And we didn't have any kind of problem. There's nothing what we were told. And more important thing is that people are talking about the side effects about the vaccine. And believe me or not, I'm dealing with different people. My 25 member of staff, they had the vaccination. They had symptoms. The most common symptom is soreness of your arm. You get the soreness in for a couple of days only. If you take the paracetamol, it goes away. And sometimes people complain about the fever and the temperature. Again, if you use the paracetamol a couple of days, and it goes away as well. There is no severe kind of symptom we have experienced, we have seen. And again, my message to everyone, please, 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 kindly save everyone, save the community. When you turn up, go for the vaccination, and don't say no to the vaccination. That's the only way we can help NHS, ourselves, and the community. Thank you very much.